Hey y'all, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. My name is Kori Ashton and this is Ask Kori. Every single Wednesday I'm creating a video just like this to help you improve your online marketing, specifically inside the world of WordPress. So if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and be absolutely certain to go take a look at my entire library here on my YouTube channel. Over 300 videos to help you. All right, let's get to it today. If you are struggling because you've logged in your WordPress website now and you are finding all of these blocks and you're wondering, what the heck, I just want to change existing content. How do I make these changes? How do I make these blocks go away? What just happened to WordPress? Slow down for a minute. That is an update for Gutenberg, the new type of drag and drop editor, which is super cool and exciting, but if you're trying to just make a simple quick fix and you don't really want to go learn all that right now, there is a workaround and it's a simple plugin. I'm going to show you what to do right now. So you'll be logging in your WordPress dashboard and you'll see if you're struggling and you see things like this is what's going on here. Go into edit. I'm going to show you the view that I'm seeing. And I've never created a page that looked like this. I don't know why this page looks like this, right? What happened is at 5.0 update, if you've already updated beyond that, you are running something called Gutenberg. And again, there's a simple quick fix. You're going to go to your plugins and click add new. And we want to go look for Classic Editor. It should actually be on this screen right now. If not, do a quick search up here for Classic Editor. And you'll have it pull up. This is the one you're looking for. Go ahead and click Install Now. And of course, you want to activate it. As soon as you do that, it will, in a sense, overwrite Gutenberg and allow you to move back to the classic screen that you're very, very familiar with. And you won't have any more type of, oh my gosh, what just happened? But to give you an idea for those of you who are interested in Gutenberg and getting to know a little bit more about the editor, there are some really cool tutorials for you to learn all about blocks, learn how simple it is to drag and drop, and add more function and really cool layouts to your pages. But again, if you're just trying to get in there and make a quick simple fix, go install Classic Editor and the world will be all back to normal again. I hope you're having a great one. Be sure to check out my library of videos and subscribe because every Wednesday, I'll meet you right here at WordPress Wednesday. Bye-bye, y'all.